En wach ma hinyo chunya ahinya nyikwa Ramogi. Wageno ni sirikal winjo wach ni. Kata kamano pod wamedo lemo ne familia no man gi hinyruok mokalo. Kwadhi mbele ni piny owacho mamalo kokalo e Peace Women Rep ma Kisumu kod aguch omenda mar ngaf oyango gedo mar kar reso nyithindo ma oroch ratechgi. Odno gere tesend obila ma Kondele i Kisumu Central kendo igeno ni biro ti kode e rwako nyithindo ma wuok e kuonde dak kaka Obunga, Nyawita, Kondele kod Manyata ma masiche mag rocho ratiro nyithindo thoro timore. Osipidi ma Kisumu Central Anthony Maina onyiso mor mare ka omedo ni giseiko obila ma puodhi e nono weche nyithindo go.
We saw the need to put up this facility here to support cases of children who are vulnerable and have problems that we had realized that were so many here. In Kisumu, we have cases of children who have been abandoned, children who have been neglected, or those ones who are being violated from their homes. And therefore, we realized that we have a huge gap in Kisumu because we don't have a safe house, but we needed somewhere where we can take care of our children away from home when we are sorting out their issues. We decided to start with Kondele Police Station, bearing in mind that this facility here is strategically positioned. This police station is at the central place where it can serve those who are majority living in the slum area of Manyata, and even those ones in Obunga area, and the ones in Nyawita, and even the ones coming from town.
So this facility will really decongest some of the facilities we had. Initially, we didn't have a place where we could put children who were in those two categories I have mentioned. And now we will keep them out of the cells, which is where we used to keep them, which was really a sad state of affairs. We look forward to having a dedicated team that specifically deals with the children issues so that they are handled in a very humane and professional manner, away from adult offenders and away from other kind of offenders that we get from the police station.